Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the recipe for the kettle chicken, an age-old recipe of my mother that is loved by 4 generations of foodies. A take on the roast chicken with desi masalas. To begin, take 750 grams whole chicken and make gashes so that the marinade can soak in. For the marinade, in a large bowl, mix together 6 tablespoons curd, 4 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, coarsely ground garam masala made from 7 to 8 cloves, 2 1-inch pieces of cinnamon, 6 green cardamoms, 3 black cardamoms, 10 peppercorns, 2 pieces of mace, and 1 star anise. Add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 tablespoons cumin powder jeera, 2 tablespoons coriander powder dhania, and salt to taste. Mix. Add in 1 medium onion, finely chopped, and mix well. Add the chicken and rub in the marinade well. Marinate the chicken for at least 2 to 3 hours. When ready to cook, take a heavy bottom pan, but don't switch on the heat. Place the chicken in the pan. Arrange some peeled baby potatoes and onions coated in the marinade alongside the chicken. Add boiled eggs into the cavity and the sides. Add 1 egg for each person. Add about half a cup of water so that the chicken does not burn. Knead the flour and roll it into long tubes. Line the rim of the pan with the dough. Place a flat lid on top and press it down a bit. Pour a bit of water on it. This is similar to dum cooking. Now switch on the heat and cook on high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. The water on the lid will begin to bubble. Reduce the heat and cook for 20 to 25 minutes depending on the size of the chicken. In case the water dries up on the lid, pour some more. After 20 minutes, remove the lid and check with a knife if the chicken is cooked. If it's still not done, return it to low flame and let it cook some more. You don't need a new batch of dough. When cooked, remove the chicken from the pan carefully. Reduce the liquid to a pouring consistency sauce. Transfer the chicken to a serving dish on a bed of lettuce leaves. Arrange the potatoes, onions, and halved eggs alongside. The kettle chicken is ready to serve. Pour some sauce over the chicken and garnish with lemon slices. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.